Okay, here we are at restoration of MW-02, the maintenance away vehicle. Hopefully you've all seen a completed view of this. It doesn't look quite that way now. What we're looking at up here in front is the front brake cylinder. This is for the four wheels here. And the engine sits back in this area here rather than clear up the front panel. So the driver's seat would be right here. This is the clutch, gear shift, of course. And that is not the steering wheel, even though it looks like one. That is the emergency brake, or hand brake for the whole car. Locks both front and back wheels. This is your dashboard with all your engine and light controls, wipers. This lever here is the throttle. This lever is only for the front brakes. There will be a hydraulic master cylinder here in this area with another handle, and that operates the rear brakes. So your driver will be here, and then towards the back of the vehicle, clear to the back, there is a bench seat with room for 3 people back there. 6 people total. The floor in here will be covered with an linoleum, and then the inside is all finished with plywood paneling. Make it look a little better. This is kind of an idea of what we've been doing this week as far as putting the thing back together. This is the new piece of metal that's going to cover this post. It's not completed yet, but it will wrap clear around the wood and inside the front door so that all the wood is going to be covered with metal. As you can see, the other pieces going that way that we've already done. Then these slots here in the post, there's a board that goes the full length of that for support. And then from the end of this metal here down to the bottom, there'll be one solid sheet across the front with a cutout for the radiator to get air.